गोंयचे राजभवनांतल्यान RTI खाला कांयच म्हायती मेळना म्हूण एक्टिव्हिस्ट आदोगाद आयरिशान CIC कडेन कंप्लेंट केल्ली. ह्या कागाळीची दखल घेवन गोंयच्या CICन ही अर्द काडल्या. भौशीक अधिकारिणी कक्षे खाला येवनय राजभवनांतल्यान राज्यपाला कडच्यान सामान्यांक कांयच म्हायती मेळना म्हूण आयरिशान CIC मुखार फिर्याद व्हेल्ली.
Goa's Chief Information Commissioner has today finally delivered his order on the complaint filed by me over the non-compliance of the RTI Act by the Goa Raj Bhavan. The Chief Information Commissioner has allowed my complaint, and in my complaint I had made 3 prayers. One is that to give directions to the Raj Bhavan to immediately appoint a PIO. My second prayer was that the Raj Bhavan be directed to make the mandatory disclosures publicly as required by the RTI Act. This is good news today for the very foundation of the RTI Act, which was meant to ensure transparency and accountability in public life.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.